Already know the basics of Filmora? In this video, I'll show you how to edit smarter and faster using some intermediate techniques, including quick cuts, keyframing, better audio control, and a few tricks to give your videos a more polished look. Let's jump in. Cutting clips one by one? Stop that. Right-click on a gap between clips and choose Ripple Delete. Or just select a clip and hit Shift+Delete. Filmora will automatically close the gap. It saves so much time. Step 2. Add custom animations using keyframes. Click on a clip. Go to Animation. Customize. Set a start keyframe and an end one for position, scale, or rotation. You can easily create smooth zoom-ins or panning effects this way. Step 3. Don't let your music overpower your voice. Right-click your voice clip and turn on Audio Ducking. Filmora will auto-lower the background music whenever you speak. No manual volume adjustment needed. Step 4. To give your videos a professional look, use LUT's lookup tables. Go to Color, 3D LUT, and apply a preset, or import your own. It's an easy way to match cinematic, vlog, or moody aesthetics. If you're reusing intros, lower thirds, or text animations, save them as custom templates. Just right-click and select Save as Custom. Now you can drag and drop them into any future project. Want cool overlays or glowing effects? Drag a clip above your video and set the blend mode to Screen, Overlay, or Multiply. Perfect for light leaks, fire, smoke, or other texture overlays. If you're always exporting the same way, say 1080p at 60 FPS, save your settings as a custom preset so you don't have to tweak them every time. Small things save big time. And that's how you step up your editing game in Filmora. If this helped, leave a like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you want a deep dive on next. Transitions, sound design, or YouTube editing workflows. See you in the next one.